I bought the Carex Bathroom Safety Rails because I sometimes need a little help using and moving around the bathroom. These seem to be made extremely well, with durable parts. Even better, the assembly is simple, and you don't need any tools. The safety rails don't even need to be connected to your toilet. The frame stands on its own and fits just about any standard-sized toilet. It can be used for added safety and stability all over the bathroom, even when you're standing at the sink. This is perfect for seniors or disabled people who need an assistance product that's easy to use and folds up for convenience. And it holds up to 300 pounds. It's a reliable and durable support system for anyone in need of added support. They also adjust from 27 to 33 inches in height to fit anyone taller or shorter. It can easily be adjusted to use by different people. There's also non-slip rubber tips to keep it in place. This works very well. Poorly designed toilet arm rails can pose a serious fall risk. Not this one. I plan to use the Carex Bathroom Safety Rails for a long time.